The National Weather Service in New York has issued a "Hey, are you paying any attention, motherfucker? I'm the goddamn freaking emergency alert system. Please listen to me, jackass, unless you want to get killed. Until 5 o'clock p.m. you know what? I don't care. If you want a funeral, keep ignoring me. Holy cow shit, on a Wednesday the tornado is coming. See, you didn't even move a muscle. Move indoor. Sorry about that, I farted. You are so lucky that you cannot smell it through the TV. It would murder you. Here it comes again. Take cover now. Alright, you're still not paying any attention, so I'll say whatever the fuck I want. You're a piece of dog shit. I can't freaking stand you. You smell bad. You're extremely gay. I did yo mama. You're a fat ass. You're too much of a pussy to hit the TV. That's sad, man. The tornado killed you, but I will continue anyway. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them.